enjoy and you will have fun. And maraming salamat kabayan to our organizer, to our barangay tanod dito. Maraming salamat kabayan. Talaga, he is the reason why I am here. If he is not here, I will not be here talaga kabayan. So, maraming salamat to him. Also, maraming salamat to ikaw. And now you are ready to experience the barangay Fiesta basketball game tonight. I love you kabayan. Salamat.
And we will award the certificate of appreciation for the Saudi Pinoy and for his gift.
For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching
Ayos! And we are ready. Ayun na. Warm up muna, warm up. Boy Turon. First time yan. Ang nangyari sa Papaliga. Dito lang yan sa FBLK. The Filipino Basketball League. Let's get ready to rumble! Palakpakan natin mga kabayan! Palakpakan natin!